First, let us understand what is web application. An application that can be accessed over the internet is called as web application. So what is the prerequisite for somebody who wants to use a web application? They should have internet, right? Okay, how do we develop web applications? The fundamental thing that you need to understand is for developing any web application, first of all, we need to create a user interface. So to create that user interface, we're going to use HTML and CSS to make this user interface interactive. Meaning, let's take an example of Facebook. Whenever you say www.facebook.com, when you have internet, then obviously it is going to land you to the home page. In that home page, you will see a login form there. In that form, you're going to fill the details like username and password. And whenever you submit, based on the credentials, it makes a decision whether you are the authorized user or not. According to that, it is going to provide you the home page, right? So the similar way to make the interaction happen with your web page, we are going to use JavaScript. So the fundamentals of development with respect to UI, we should know HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now you might get a question, so Sai, if we are going to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, can we develop a web application? Yes. As part of the web application, you generally have user interface and data processing. So the user interface basically helps the end user to interact with the application, which means 70% of the application, 70% of the web application, you can develop it by using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So to accelerate your application development, we have different frameworks on top of CSS and JavaScript. So you might have heard about Angular, React, Vue.js, and so on. These all are on top of JavaScript. As for your time, I would request you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and also make sure that anybody who is really interested to learn full stack web development, you can suggest them these videos. Thank you.